team in working as a Spiro solution. Let's move on our topic.
Hybrid cloud approach for secure authorized deduplication. In this paper, we study about the hybrid cloud approach for secure authorized deduplication. First, we know about the data deduplication. Data duplication is nothing but one of the important data compress techniques for eliminating duplicate copies of repeating data, and has been widely used in cloud storage to reduce the amount of storage space and save bandwidth, and to protect the privacy of sensitive data while supporting deduplication. In this paper, we using the convergent key encryption technique. Let's move on. Existing system. In existing system, each user issued a set of privileges during the system initialization. Each file upload to the cloud is also bounded by the set of privileges to specify which kind of user is allowed to perform the deduplicate check and access the file. In proposing system, we eliminating the duplicate copies of repeating data has been widely used in the cloud storage to reduce the amount of storage space and save bandwidth. In existing system, we are using the symmetric encryption technique. In proposing system, we are using the convergent encryption technique. In convergent encryption techniques, each original data copy and encrypt the data copy with the convergent key. With the help of the convergent key, we find out the duplicate in files. Let's move on our system architecture. This is the overall system architecture. In this system, we are using the multiple cloud, that is called hybrid cloud. And hybrid cloud approach is nothing but public cloud with private cloud. Suppose we want to upload a file into the public cloud, we should take in the key from the private cloud. After get that file token from the private cloud, we can upload the file to public cloud. With the help of the token, we can find out the file is a duplicate or not. This is the system requirement, and we are using the operating system Windows 8 and 8.1, and then the front end is Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2013, coding language C#, and back end is SQL Server 2012. In future concept, we design and implement a new system with could protect the security of protectable message. The main idea of our technique is that novel encryption key generation algorithm. Okay, in this technique, a new encrypt shared key has been generated for every join and leave event forward to the key distribution center of the requester. The advantage of the future concept is to avoid the deterministic key generation.